It's been a while since we heard any news about DJI Avata except the delayed news. But all of a sudden, new leaks have come to light with an official FCC listing for the DJI Avata. Also, new images of the DJI Avata and DJI Goggles have surfaced online, including a short video. All of these leaks suggest that the upcoming Cinewoop drone from DJI is apparently moving forward to release, and finally, yes, finally. In today's video, we're going to show you the leaked images and videos of DJI Avata and also discuss its upcoming features. So, without further ado, let's hop in. Let's talk about the images that we got from Deal's Drone Twitter account. So, if you take a look at the first image, you'll see the DJI Avata in great detail from the front. You can also see a camera, and it seems the camera has only one axis gimbal, meaning it will tilt only upward and downward. So, at least better than having no gimbal, I guess. It suggests that the DJI Avata might come with the rock-steady feature to deliver stable footage that we have seen in the DJI Action 2 camera. Not only that, it might have a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 4K shooting capability at 60 FPS, just like the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now the second image is from the top, where a small triangular blue LED stole the spotlight. This LED light is likely indicating that the drone is turned on. Besides that, you can clearly see the propellers with 5 blades. Also, both the DJI logo and Avata name are prominently shown on top of the drone. And the third and fourth images show the drone from both left and right sides, where you can see 2 orange stripes. These stripes are likely to grip the battery and release it when you need to change the battery. Overall, the design looks amazing and compact. Also, we don't think it will be less than 250 grams, so you might need a license to fly this drone. In addition, the last image shows DJI Avata's retail package, and we know this is not worthy enough to mention. But if you look at the lower corner, you'll notice that the Avata might come with built-in DJI Air Sense. This feature is an alert system that uses ADS-B technology to give drone pilots enhanced situational awareness by detecting other aircrafts while flying. Finally, a video posted by Deal's Drone and Osita LV shows the aircraft being tested in a desert area with goggles and a motion controller. Plus, Osita LV claimed that the flying machine is under key opinion leaders' evaluation. It seems the DJI Avata might appear along with the brand new DJI FPV goggles. They also shared some pictures of the upcoming goggles, and according to these images, the goggles might have 2 antennas instead of the 4 antennas that we have seen in the previous one. Also, it looks pretty much smaller and won't be as bulky as the previous model. Now, obviously there are some design changes that are worth noting. The first thing is the antenna is foldable, and the most important thing to notice is the 2 cooling vents at the lower section of the goggles. Overall, the DJI Avata and DJI Goggles look pretty amazing in terms of design and features. By mixing all these leaks, we can keep our hope at the highest peak about the upcoming FPV drone from DJI. So what do you think? Are you excited about the new DJI Cinewoop drone? Because we are. We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.